Another interesting AI tool is Outpainting. It expand your image, something like that. You can see it's expand and it's create other of the image. It's expanded image. It's interesting. Outpainting, click on that. For example, in this, you can side by side to see what happened. It convert this image to this. You can see it create the building around that, create forest around that. Interesting. So, for doing that, you can insert one of these images. For example, this. This is this image. You can see we have an object that is cut from the round, and let's see this AI build this part of image for us. It's Outpainting. You can add prompt. For example, what do you need in around? But I'll let it empty to let's see this software, this AI tool, how it works for us. Autofill. Be careful about autofill. If you turn on the autofill, you can see here it just automatically fill the image to the size that you want. It does not create these things. It's if you make autofill turn off, it maintain the size of that. You can change the position of that, and the software create another part. Here is the most important thing. You have to change the size. For example, Instagram story size, anything size that you want. I choose this size, and you can see it's create lots of more space. Generate 3. Oh, generate 1. It's better. And let's generate 3 different images for us. It's one's better because I want to explain just one. Let's see what happened. Wow, you can see it's interesting. For example, in this side by side, you can see it's create this eggs. It's create other of this. Nice, interesting. It's powerful. It's really powerful. You can see it's create other image for us based on the image. Let's add some prompt to that. For example, create add window at background. Oh, window at background, just one, and let's generate. Does it create a window in these parts or not? Or you can prompt any other things, or you can click anywhere to enhance prompt. Nice, you can see it add simple window at the background. Nice. So you can give a prompt to that or change any size that you want. Make sure you're in a fast mode, and don't forget to subscribe or buy one of these plans, and you can see you can earn more coins if you generate these tools. If you use these tools, you spend your coins, and for buying that, it's better to go into standard or pro version to use these powerful tools. That's it. Let's try other image to For example, such these things. You can see the software does not have any sharp details that can recognize what happened in a round. Let's see, with any prompt, generate one, and let's see what happened. Software understand these parts of the body clauses. Interesting. Oh my god, you can see it's very powerful. Wow. It is expand this image to this image. It's interesting and powerful. Okay, let's insert our images. Set. Does it understand this image or not? These are default image. Let's try that. Generate one. Does it can generate these parts of the body face, the face of this girl, or not? Okay, now it's calculating, and I'm very interested to see what happened. Nice. Nice. Let's side by side. You can see let's create other part of this body. Interesting. So it's very powerful. I love it. Or let's try this image. Wow, you can see it has to create lots of things around. Or upload my asset. Let's see what happened here. Make it smaller to software create more space, and generate one more time to see what happened. And after that, for example, you can go to this and going to edit that and use upscaler, erase and replace somewhere, or again change it image to video or other tools. And of course you can download it. If you want to higher resolution, you can go to the upper scale. It's another powerful tool. And now see what happened to this bottle. Nice. You can see it changed this image to that image, expand and create lots of other environment for us. Interesting. Or you can make it side by side. You can see it's create this part for us. These are powerful tools. Okay. For using PromeAI, go to the description and click on this link. Then simple create an account. You can log in or sign up. You can continue with your Google account, or you can give an email and create a password if you want. And here is PromeAI website. For using the PromeAI tools, AI tools, you have to spend coins. If you need more coins to using more of tools, you have to buy one of these plans. And you can redeem a code. I give that code in description. You can use it to get some coins. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.